Hello everyone, my name is Alok. I'm father of two boys, 9 3s, husband to one of the most beautiful princesses of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert, and a business enthusiast for the last 20 years around. Now I'm here helping three kinds of people. Number one, people who do have an expertise or a passion for something, want to create a business out of that. Number two, people who are doing an offline business, they want to take it in an online platform. Number three, people who are doing pretty well in online or offline mode, but they're not able to upscale and grow. So I, Alok, as a business coach, is going to give you a specific business strategy so that you upscale and grow in multifolds and increase your revenue multiple times. So business owners and entrepreneurs, we as business owners struggle a lot in terms of making a profitable business because we do lots of activities, some are wrong, some are right, and they lead to some kind of stresses if you don't make money, if you don't make our business profitable. So today I'm going to talk about some do's and don'ts, how you can take care of your over expenses, cut down on cost, and make your business profitable. So to start with, I wanted to talk you like a business can struggle with profitability for a number of different reasons. So they can be prices that you are keeping too low, or maybe you are not following your competitors, or maybe you are focusing on the bigger picture but not targeting on the real customers. So you have too many expenses which you need to control as well, and the list is big list keeps on going. So even if your business doesn't make a lot of money, early money, I would say the goal should be eventually to be sustaining your business, sustaining your operations, and make and earn a profit. In order to accomplish this, you need to know and follow a specific set of do's and don'ts. You have to understand what to do and what not to do. So to learn about that, I'm going to give you few important tips in which you can understand what to do and what not to do in terms of making your business profitable. So just make a note, I'll be just discussing only the points. So there are around 20-25 points I'm going to discuss. Number one, do calculate the exact cost of your business. Don't spend too much time on the low value activities. Do automate your business wherever possible. Don't rely on paper, rather than you should be relying more on technology, the systems, computers and all those things. Do track your time. You have to understand your time is valuable, and if you are spending more time in less productive work, you are going to lose somewhere. Okay? Don't forget about your team, because your team is accountable. Every person is accountable for the work he has been assigned. So you have to be focusing and taking out the result from your team members. Do analyze your finances regularly, where your finances are going, how you are managing your cost, how you are meeting your recurring costs, the fixed costs, and obviously the profitable part of it. Don't undercharge your customers. Never do that. You'll be losing every time if you are going to undercharge your customers. Do make buying as easy as possible. Make you're selling a simple process for the customers to buy. So it has to be very easy. Don't focus too much on bringing new customers rather than focus on the existing customers. Plus obviously that farming and hunting process goes hand in hand, right? So you have to acquire new customers but spend more time with the existing customers as well. Do prevent any kind of a theft and waste. Don't rely on constant discounting. Do look for ways to increase minimum order prices. Don't go for the because there is no limit to the pricing lowering down, right? So you have to have a minimum order price so that you sustain, and then only you'll be able to make a profitable business. Don't keep excess inventory on hand. Make it optimized. Whatever inventory you want, don't invest more and keep as a stock, a buffer stock or something. Definitely there has to be a contingency part to it, but again it's not be too much. So don't keep excess inventory. Do give more opportunity to the top sellers. Don't overlook supplier prices hike, because if your competitors or your suppliers are increasing the price, you have to take a control of that, because it is going to add on to your own manufacturing cost or services cost. Do negotiate constantly. Whatever good relation you have to keep negotiating with your vendors, suppliers and customers as well. Don't pay for any kind of a costly services and activities. Do confirm on the service call. Make services better for the customers. Don't undervalue your time. Do focus on providing great services, because services keep on interacting and impacting your customers with you. Don't continue marketing activities that show minimal results. If you are involved in marketing activities, see how much money you are investing and what kind of results you are getting. If the results are not to the mark, please don't involve in that, right? Do track the performance of everything, anything and everything which you're doing in your organization, right from the housekeeping to the cafeteria, to the sales, to the marketing, to advertising, services. You have to be very much keeping a track on the performance on each and everything. Don't go after every new opportunity that sounds exciting, because we business owners, we keep on exploring new things, and whenever you feel something which is very exciting, you just jump into that, right? It doesn't mean that I'm not telling you to explore new things, but don't go after every opportunity. You have to filter it out so that it works for you. And overall, do focus on the bigger picture, because ultimate objective is something big which you have planned for your business. So do focus on the bigger picture, and if you keep in mind all these do's and don'ts, you are going to make a profitable business.